How's it going, everyone? Mari from PC Concepts here, and today before we get to the video, I just want to go ahead and say thank you all so much for the support we've been receiving on the channel. It just means so much to me. I've only been making videos here for a couple months, and I feel like the support is pretty immense. We're almost at 500 subscribers, and some videos are getting over 1,000 views, which it just means so much to me. A lot of you guys are commenting and liking every single video, it's just crazy. I really appreciate all the support. And yeah, I just wanted to say that before we got to the video, so let's get to it. Here we are in the office. This is pretty much where a lot of the content is going to be taking place soon. I used to do all the videos at my house, but now that I have a dedicated office space to do all this, it's going to be much easier and the content is going to be much better for the most part. It's the quality of videos is going to go up. I have a full camera rig here with cameras, and the camera that goes there is actually the one I'm using right now to shoot. We have the overhead cam for the desk and pretty much everything else we need. I don't have internet in the office yet. It is going to be coming in this week. Got some other cool stuff over here, a couple laptops for you sneakerheads out there, the Supreme Air Force Ones, and oh, you know what these are. Not personal, these are for business, unrelated, but definitely not mine. I'm not too big into Jordan's Funko Pop Pikachu, a big one. Love that thing. It looks nice on a desk or just a display wherever you have it. I love my Evangelion. Love my Eva. Shinji, Rei, Asuka. And then we can go over here. Got some more Asukas. Best girl. Yeah, that is pretty much the main part of the office. Here we got some shoes and then those bear bricks I was telling you about, that's for something completely unrelated. We got a couch if we need to pass out, take a nap on the couch. It's really uncomfortable, which is funny because it's a completely different story. This couch is not very comfortable to sleep on, I'll say that right now. If we go over to the side here, we can actually see another desk setup. This is not mine, this is actually a buddy of mine. He does video content creation for me, but not for PC Concepts. He does it for something else. So he just actually got his desk set up in here last night. It was a very, very long night. We were up till like 4 or 5, but he has a really nice setup as well. He has his Mac here, and then that's just his second monitor and his PlayStation hooked up there with his nice little Astro controller. He does not have a mechanical keyboard, man. That is treason. But your little membrane keyboard might have to hook you up in the future. Nothing wrong with that. I know people like membrane keyboards. I just like giving him a hard time because I love him. And he's kicking it. He literally just got this all set up last night, so it looks super clean, but I guaranteed it is gonna get closer to looking messy like my desk very soon, which once we get that PlayStation 5 set up, I haven't unboxed that yet, we're gonna put it somewhere in the office and we'll have some fun with that. But yeah, fun little content space, might do some streaming. Hope you guys enjoyed. Take it easy. Peace out.